going to show you how you can use the new import and export annotation functionality in Hypothesis to reuse your annotation between courses or in different groups within a course. So I'm demonstrating this in the Canvas learning management system, but the functionality will look the same in all learning management systems as long as you have the same document loaded in your two different courses. So here I have my annotation for STEM Fall 2023 course. And in this scenario, I'd like to reuse my annotations that I've made in my fall course in my spring 2024 course, which I've already copied over in Canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'll go into the assignment I'd like to export my annotations from. And I'll click on the icon in the upper right that shows an arrow pointing upwards, and that'll give me an option to export from the course. So at this point, it'll tell me what the name of my export file is. I can select the user's annotations that I'd like to export, which will default to my own, and I'll click on the export button. And now a file is downloading to my computer. Once that has downloaded, then I can navigate to my spring 2024 course, find the file that has been already copied over or set up as a hypothesis-enabled reading, and go back to that icon in the upper right with the arrow pointing upwards. Then I'll navigate to the Import tab and find the file I just downloaded to my computer. Select that. And then I can again select which user's annotations to import. Since I had only exported my own, that's what will show up here. And I can click on the import button to import annotations. Only the top level annotations will come over and not the replies. So any replies I may have made to students will not show up in the import that I've made from my fall 2023 course. So that is one use case or function of the import-export annotation tool. The other case where this could be useful is if you are adding annotations and would like to share them among multiple groups within your course. So I can go into my group assignment that I've created here, and you'll see I have added some questions for my students to answer, but I have different annotation groups set up here. And my annotations right now are only showing up in that first group where I've added the annotations. I can then go to that share button in the upper right, export my annotations. So that file is now downloaded. Then I will navigate over to my individual annotation group 2, hop over to the Import tab, click Select a File, find that file I just downloaded, import those annotations, and then repeat that for any remaining groups that I have. This process makes it easier to reuse the annotations that you've made on a document between two different courses or among groups within one course.